Hey YouTube, Magnificent here. We got some magnificent kids. We are here today just enjoying the day. We actually went out to get some office supplies for the channel because, man, it was just an awesome day outside. And, you know, for office supplies, you normally get what, pens, right? What else do you get for office supplies? Paper, right? Sharpies, right? You know, but this supply we got, it was a little bigger than we could put in the cart. So we thought we'd show it to you today because we're going to be using this supply to supply a lot of the content we're going to be doing in this channel. So this actually was named. We actually gave this supply a name. What's the name of this supply?
Drift Clean.
Drift. So if you guys remember the Transformer, that AMG Benz on the Transformer movie. So I'd like to introduce you to the newest girl in the family. Some of you know I have 10 kids. And it looks like I normally have 6 boys and 4 girls, but it looks like we have a new girl that's in the mix. Introducing Drift. This is a S-Class, and I'll let it do the talking for you. This is a bad mamma jamma right here. 550. This thing goes, guys. It goes. This is a sleeper. Some folks say it's an old person's car, but man, listen, if I took out that muffler, you would hear it rumbling as if it had a muffler like no one's business. As far as the interior, this thing is incredible. I mean, it has everything. This was the top car back in the day. Of course, even now it's still awesome. But the year I got it, it's an incredible vehicle. That display, you can't beat that display. It's incredible. I mean, every comfort feature that you can imagine it has. Not only that, I'll be going over the cool features that we used to dream about back in the day about, you know, self-driving vehicles. Yes, it actually technically drives itself, parks itself. Guys, I'm excited for the future to introduce you and get you acquainted with the Transformer known as Drift. And we're going to be doing a couple of things. You know, these wheels, you know, those got to go because you guys know me. Bling is a no-no, you know. Typically, I'd be doing a lot of things with a stereo and but man, it looks so good. It's so tough. Obviously, I'll be debadging. And some people say, you know, it's all about the Benz. You know, I love Benz, not because it's a Benz, but because it's so well built. You know, so I don't get any, you know, extra clout, or I don't feel any better just because I have the star on my vehicle. I like the opposite. I don't want it to be liked because it's a star. I want it to be liked because it's a good vehicle. But we'll be doing a lot of things like that. Got the big brake system. There's so many features we'll go over, guys, but that's the big reveal today. We will be doing a bunch of things with this bad boy named Drift. Bad girl, thank you. All right, guys, Magnificent, signing out.